Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankh Eru from jamtoursafrica.com family. As you know, guys, I have my sister from Suriname. She live over there in Europe. She come to Kenya and she had tour with Jam Tours. So she stay in a Two Rivers family in the actually apartment in Two Rivers. And if you need to book this apartment, link up with Jam Tours. I can connect you for a mall experience. I just want to show you guys Two Rivers Mall. The Bunker is the name of the apartment. It's an Airbnb and I'm connected with the person. So if you need to book it, come in a Kenya, you want this up the experience. Let me show you mall experience, apartment in a mall. You know, security tight in a Kenya. Mambo Jambo. What's up? Yeah, man, you can search. Search me up. Search me out, but you can't search me soul.
How do you call this one?
Which one?
This one.
Oh, Mokumboro. Yeah, family. So them see me I eat my white ginger. And the local them ask me because you know I feed them thing. When I come to Africa family, you all have to, you know what I mean, find out where them are. You know, Jam Tours, been to my herbs and thing. So anytime you see them I do, we just follow. See what I'm saying?
Welcome.
Yeah, man. Thank you, man. All right, family. Let's go, family. So if you guys want to get an apartment in a Two Rivers, link up with Jam Tours. So I'm going to pick up my sister right now, family, and I'm going to show her, you know what I mean, the Kiambu area. So, you know what I mean? As I said, Kiambu, I love Kiambu. It's my favorite county to live in, and my favorite place to retire and grow old is going to be Nanuki. So Nanuki, so this is how I build my business and I build out my financial and my retirement thing in Nairobi, living in Kiambu. And you know what I mean? When push come to shove, over Nanuki with their family. Over Nanuki we are relocate to. When we're ready for actually, you know what I mean, live out old age. If that's gonna be the case, because we never know family. As I said before, you know what I mean, the chosen one, DNA will be updated. And if Jam Tours is the chosen one, his DNA will be updated, family. And to everlasting, you know what I mean? Long life, no death. But anyway, guys, a lot of people might feel like, say, these things are like, fictitious things, or fiction or non-fiction. But, you know what I mean? I saw it always go in the days of Noah. People them say, my idiot, no rain not go fall. So, if you want to be like that, be like that. But anyways, family, as I said before, if you want a mall experience, you know what I mean, I can give that to you. Imagine you have an apartment in a Two Rivers, in the mall. So, yeah, family, so if you need to book this, we can actually, you know what I mean, we can get it for like maybe $50 a night, $60 a night. We can ball it down and call it down for you because we know the people them personally. So, you know what I mean, you know the thing already. So, when you guys come to Kenya via Jam Tours, we want to get the maximum experience, say, yo, Kenya the place. So this is how you drive through, family. I'm showing you the exact, you know what I mean, how the thing go. So let's go, family. You're in the mix with Jam Tours Africa. So this is how you go, family. You have the Holiday Inn, then you have an apartment, the Two Rivers apartment, and they're also building more apartments here, family. So you know what I mean? But if you want to get the experience of living inside a mall, you can just go to the mall. I feel like this is a very great experience. If me myself want to experience this, I might even come and spend a week over here, you know what I mean, and relax and chill because, the mall experience is a nice experience. You just come out of the apartment. So that's the apartment, family, the Bunker. It's an apartment and I think already like it's inside the mall. So anything you want, you just come out and just go do your thing. You know what I mean? And you have access to Two Rivers. And when you come in, you actually, you don't really pay for parking inside here. You just scan it and send it out. So I pick up my sister, I'm going to show her, you know what I mean, you see the Kiambu side because she never see that side before. So I'm going to show her what I go on. So let's go, family. If you love Jam Tours, share this video, like it, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know what I mean? Jam Tours is your best friend. So let's go, family. Let's go. Let's go, family. Let's go. Jam Tours. You're in the mix with Jam Tours. Boom! We out. I don't know why I shouldn't set it up yet. So we can promote our
Because
channel.
I'm busy doing other stuff, okay?
When you come to Kenya family, you know the thing already there. You have so much thing on your mind, so much thing on your brain. It's like you have to tell yourself, so, yo, what you gonna do?
Right.
So for the past day, you've been inside and you've been meditating and doing what you're supposed to do. So what you want to tell the people them?
Nothing. It's
Nothing.
a secret.
Come and find out for yourself.
Come and find out for it. Come back in like a month.
In a month.
Give me a month.
Yeah, so she gonna tell her story family. Now she just download all the information. So when she have her own channel, she can come and tell your family.
Oh yes, I will.
You know what I mean? But I'm here sharing your experience and what we're doing. So if you come and want to do the same thing, you can do it. So today, guys, we actually, people come for different reasons in Kenya. When you come, you want to set up your business, you want to find, a place to live, and when you grow old, you can have your nice little, place to live. So you want to look around and see. A lot of people come and jump, go do things, and when they realize, oh shit, why am I make this mistake? We should just wait. You know what I mean? Ori has no blessing. In Jamaica we use this we call it proverbs, and it actually carry you through.
Yeah.
You carry you through the because now these are the things that you actually remember, and it teach you discipline. You know that? It teach you discipline, yeah.
The same in Holland. It's like geduld is een schone zaak. And the translation is patience is a pure thing.
Yeah.
Patience is purity.
Yeah.
That's the translation.
In Jamaica we say patient man ride donkey too. So if you're too patient, it's a problem.
True.
Yeah, so
True.
You know what I mean? So as a Jamaican family, that's the reason why when you see we go into the world, we excel so much, because these are the things you learn from your grandmother, your grandparents, and your ancestors, and it guide you through. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
These are the slang that guide you through. So when you go into the world, you don't get yourself into trouble.
Dance
a yard before you dance abroad. So you learn in Jamaica before you even travel outside. You know what I mean? The glass is down, it won't even go down.
Oh, it won't go down. What?
Yeah.
Glasses.
Yes, my brother. Sorry, I have a little accident and
The
glass won't go down.
What? Wow.
Yeah, man has respect. Yeah, family. So we're gonna go down to Limuru. We're gonna show my sister some nice standalone home where she can, 5-6 bedroom. Where you can actually pay a deposit and go and pay them a bill it right now. So I'm gonna show her and so forth, family. So let's look at that and see what we're going. We gone. Family, so me and my sister there, and I drive her through some nice gated community. And I just want to share it with your family. This is a project. It's called Green Villa. So I'm just taking her to show this standalone, I don't know what to call it, but you have your own backyard, you have your own thing. So Greenview Village. If you guys come in with your family and you want a nice 5-6 bedroom, then this is it, family. You know what I mean? So let's go inside and see. It's the Chinese them doing this. I think it's the first Chinese company to come outside of Nairobi, because them always build apartments. So now they're actually taking the step to building these type of things. So let's see. Yeah, family. So we stop at a local giant and we eat some food. And my sister, she loves mokimo.
Love it. Can I? Of course. And what did you say is the busiest night? Yes.
Yeah, family. So I'm gonna take my sister to check out HQ House. Jam Tours, we were here when this place was launching and stuff. So if you want like a nice ambience place to come and chill and relax, this is actually HQ House, family, by the Burns brother, all the way over there in Washington DC. So it's good to see, like, the diaspora is really investing back in Africa. You know what I mean? So yeah, so this is HQ, family, and weekends you can come and actually enjoy. Yeah. So you like it, my sister, or you like it?
We're coming
Come in.
To that.
So you guys have like different themes and stuff? Different themes, like
Yeah,
yeah.
we normally have events.
Events. Ah, okay, cool. When was the last event?
The last event was Wednesday, 22nd. Actually, we normally have events
Every
every Friday.
Friday. So this Friday is what? What is the theme?
Where can we find it on the
Instagram. HQ House. HQ House. Yeah, family. So when you come to Nairobi as a foreigner, you want a nice place like this to come and chill and have your have your cocktail and thing. You don't know the thing go. I want to show you guys inside. It's very nice. You can chill inside and stuff. Yeah. This is HQ House.
He lives here.
Yeah, well, I'm a Jamaican, but I live
Almost
there.
living here.
Please come and live here.
Yeah, I'm showing her.
I'm coming. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, family. So we're in Tattoo City and the HQ House. Yeah. Nice. HQ them up. So let's check out inside for me. Show what inside look like, family. On a Friday, you can come here, come chill. You know what I mean? HQ House. This is inside.
Okay, you register first.
Mm-hmm.
We have like after every month and annually.
How much for the membership now?
Yes, please.
Yeah, so it's a membership club, family, where you can pay a membership and you'll be a part of the club. Yeah. HQ House. This is the brochure. This is the brochure, family. HQ House. So follow them on Instagram. HQ House. It's a good either way spot to just come and chill. Yeah. Just decide to come and chill. It's a good either way spot. Boardroom. Okay. Ah. Mm-hmm.
10 a.m.
Okay. And like when you have events, what time? On Friday. What time on Friday?
I like the little boots here.
The little boots. Yeah.
I already see myself with my girlfriend.
HQ House. Mm-hmm. Oh, inside here. Oh wow. Wow. It's come a nice private place.
Beautiful. So you can have, can you also like have, if you want to give your birthday here or something like that, you can rent it out.
You can rent it out. Yeah. Nice. HQ House. Look at the view outside. Nice. And it's so private. I like it because it's private. You know what I mean? Very private. Yeah.
First thing I think is their birthday or something.
Birthday, yeah. Silly.
Right?
Yeah.
Especially my first birthday at home has been spectacular.
Yeah, we can actually organize it, my sister. And so
Right?
we have a lot of, you know what I mean, people come through.
Yeah.
Last is our reception here.
Reception here. Okay, nice. Yeah. Okay, nice. Oh, lobby. Okay.
Oh, there's an entrance from the other side.
It's actually from the other side. HQ House. Yeah. HQ House. Yeah, fam. It's when?
I think from 4 p.m. to 7.
7
No, it's
from
to
3
eat.
3 to eat.
Okay, but how late then?
From 3 to 7.
So I
From
know
4
when
p.m.
to
to
come.
7 p.m. Yeah, family. So we actually end this tour with my sister here. And as you guys know, we was talking and saying that we didn't even plan for this. We just get up and she just call me up and say, Jam Tours, come in. And we just say, yo, make we roll. And you know what I mean? She enjoyed herself. How was the experience?
Enjoyed myself once again. Found out a lot of more new things that I even didn't know were possible.
Like what? Like what actually?
The townhouses, man.
The townhouse. That is the takeaway from this store.
The townhouse, and especially the townhouse, the first one with the view on the forest and the river.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we just want to let you guys know, when you come with Jam Tours, it's always an experience, and it's always, something you never heard of or know about before. But now you know about it, you get actually, wiser in Kenya. The wiser you are in Kenya, it's better for you. Less scam, less people taking you for a fool. All right. So one love, God bless, Jamaica. I'm out. Anything you have to tell me Jam Tours people them?
Come to Kenya. Come to Nairobi. Come.
Megan. Hey family, as you know, we're on Kiambu Road, and I have to show my sister, all the hotspot. So when you come and live in Kenya, you have social life, everything is on top. So, this is a place called Tukusuku. Suku.
I love the name, man. I'm already sold.
Suku. So they sell tea, some Taiwanese thing with the bubble tea and something like that.
Oh,
so,
nice.
Yeah, but it's and stuff. So yeah. So let's go inside. I think evening. You see? This is a place where people come and chill, watch football and things. Yeah.
Oh, of course. Yeah, that has to happen also. Not my cup of tea.
So they have a kitchen there. Suku.
I love the name, man.
I love.
It sounds like something Suriname.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Suku. Yeah, it's Suku.
In
Nice.
Suriname we say sayaluku.
Sayaluku.
Sayaluku means what you looking at?
Sayaluku.
Suku.
Suku. Yeah. You come and you dine and wine. You have a nice group. I love you. Very nice. Yeah, family. So this is the end of this vlog. Like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know what I mean? Trying to share the experience with Jam Tours when you come to Kenya.
Oh, this is dope.
Social life in Kenya, turn up. It's not anti-social in Kenya. We're not anti-social. So my sister, you can see now that there's no dull moment in Kenya. Everything is right here. 20 minutes, 30 minutes,
That's what I
10,
miss.
15 minutes.
What I miss, the biggest part of my life, is people being open to socialize also.
Yeah.
Connect.
Yeah.
In Europe, it's like
Boring. People are boring.
they're boring and everything is the same.
Everything is the same, and there's materials and stuff.
I'll just stay at home.
Let's walk around. There's some VIP lounge where you can actually see, it's relaxing in your VIP lounge. Yeah. You have the fireplace, warm you up and thing. International people them coming. This is Suku. Oh, they have the fireplace here, so when you sit, warm you up. Yeah, it's cold time. Yeah, it's a nice place to chill. And this is like 10 minutes away from this is just like anywhere close to Kiambu where you stay, yeah. Your family, so yeah.